Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make stewed red snapper. First, select a beautiful, fresh red snapper, ideally weighing around 2 pounds. This ensures a perfect fish-to-sauce ratio. Next, gather your vibrant vegetables, ripe tomatoes, colorful bell peppers, sweet onions, and aromatic garlic. Finally, prepare your seasoning blend, incorporating fragrant thyme, smoky paprika, and a touch of cayenne for a gentle warmth. This foundational step sets the stage for an incredibly delicious meal. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient. Carefully clean and scale your red snapper, ensuring it's pristine. Make 3 shallow diagonal slits on each side of the fish. This helps the flavors penetrate deeply. Season the snapper generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a splash of fresh lime juice. Next, dice your tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and garlic into consistent, 1-inch pieces. Uniformity is key for even cooking and a beautiful presentation in your stew. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to build the rich stew base. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté your diced onions and minced garlic until they become fragrant and translucent, about 3 minutes. Add the bell peppers and cook for another 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Stir in the diced tomatoes, your prepared seasoning blend, and 1 cup of flavorful fish or vegetable broth. Let this simmer gently for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to cook our magnificent red snapper. Carefully place the seasoned fish into the simmering stew, ensuring it's nestled comfortably and partially submerged in the flavorful sauce. Cover the pot tightly and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. The fish is perfectly done when its flesh flakes easily with a fork. Garnish your exquisite stewed red snapper with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro or parsley. Serve this delightful dish immediately with fluffy rice or warm, crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.